Welcome to JavaScript Beginner's Course. In this course, you will learn everything you need to know about JavaScript, which basically helps you to get started with JavaScript and is perfect for beginners or anyone that wants to brush up their skill set on basic JavaScript syntax. To get started, please go through my previous video to set up an environment to run JavaScript code. I will leave the link in the comment section. That video talks about the plugins we need and the code editor, which is basically I use Visual Studio Code editor. You can use Atom or any other code editor as well, but I would prefer Visual Studio Code editor. Let's say I have an HTML file. I'll create a new file, save it as HTML. Sample1.html and add script tag. So I can write any JavaScript inside script tag. Let's say console.log and hello world. So how do we see the result of this one? Let me copy the full path of this and open a browser. There is nothing you can see here, right? Because we are writing into console. So the way we open up the console is right click on the browser and select inspect and go to console and see hello world. This is what we are showing in the console, hello world. And just say change the settings to put everything in the same window. Wherever you do a console.log, it always shows in the console of a browser. There are multiple JavaScript code editors you can use online. Like I said, you can just Google JavaScript code editor online. So there are plenty of available. You can use all these ones to work with. I can put the same code in here and try to execute the way you want, and you see the results. Let me copy this line, come here and JavaScript, put it there, and run. See console. So I'm going to use our Chrome browser to see all the results, as you can see here. And for now, I'll just close this HTML file. We don't need it. And we'll work on JS file. I'll add HTML tag to this one so that we'll have an idea of how JavaScript works in HTML. So add HTML head body h1 JavaScript beginners guide. Once you refresh the browser, you will see that result in a browser. We still see this hello world because we have this console log in here. Once we comment this one, we'll not get to see it anymore. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on notifications so that you don't miss any video which are helping to learn coding and become a successful programmer. And I'll see you in next video.